In today's video, I'm going to teach you all how to build ATS-optimized resume with generative AI. Most resumes don't get rejected by HR. They get rejected by ATS even before HR sees them. In today's video, I'll teach you how to build a fully ATS-optimized resume from scratch using generative AI. No templates, no confusion, just pure professional output. ATS stands for Applicant Tracking System. Think of it like a gatekeeper. Before your resume reaches a human, the ATS scans it and asks, does this resume have the required skill? Does it match the job description? Are the keywords present? Is the format readable by software? If your resume is missing keywords or uses fancy design, ATS simply filters you out. But the good news? Generative AI can help you beat the ATS system easily. So let's see step-by-step process on how to create an ATS-optimized resume. Step 1. Collecting raw data. Before building the resume, we need ingredients, your raw data. Don't worry about structure, just write down everything you have done. Projects, internships, skills, certifications, education, achievements. Open a simple text file and dump everything, even if it's messy. Here I have given you an example. Step 2. Convert raw data into resume bullets. Now we give this raw data to GenAI and let it do the heavy lifting. So this is a prompt which you are going to use. Let me give you an example. So here I have attached the file, raw data file, and I have written the prompt. Now see how the resume is being created by AI. If your raw line is worked on a college website, AI turns it into developed a responsive college website using HTML, CSS and JS, improving load speed by 35%, something like this. So basically it adds more fancy and professional words to it. Step 3. Tailor resume to any job description. Here's where most people fail. The resume must match ATS keyword. If a job requires React, REST API, AWS, SQL, and your resume doesn't mention them, ATS rejects it instantly. So we make AI do the keyword extraction. So write this prompt, extract all ATS keywords from this job description and rewrite my resume using these keywords naturally. So here I have written the prompt and I have pasted the job description. The first thing which AI does is, it is going to extract all the keywords from the job description. You see? Once that is completed, your resume will be rewritten by AI. AI will highlight missing skills and automatically include relevant ones. The biggest advantage of generative AI is resume tailoring. One resume should never be used for all jobs. You should create a tailored resume for each job role, and AI makes it 10x faster. Within seconds, AI can restructure your resume specifically for any job position: software engineer, data analyst, QA tester, backend developer, and so on. Step 4. Create the resume layout. Now that the content is perfect, let's design the resume, but ATS friendly. Please avoid fancy templates, tables, icons, and multi-column layout. Use Canva. Search for simple resume. Pick one clean template. These are the sections which you need to include: name and contact, summary, skills, experience, projects, education, certification. And technical people can include a LinkedIn, GitHub, LeetCode, Kaggle or HackerRank profile ID and portfolio at the start of your resume. Copy your AI generated bullets and paste them neatly. Your resume will now pass all ATS scanners. AI tools to validate ATS score. Before downloading, run your resume through ResAI, JobScan, Resume Worded. These tools ensure your resume is ATS friendly and industry ready. So the complete workflow is: collect raw data, convert into strong professional bullets, optimize with ATS keywords, tailor to each job, build a clean layout, validate ATS score, download, apply, and then get shortlisted. GenAI makes the entire process faster, cleaner, and more professional, even if you start from zero. If you want, I can create a full video on resume prompt packs or AI tools for job search. Tell me in the comments. Thank you.